the 2005 Ford Excursion. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 10-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear reading lights, a power seat, illuminated running boards, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and more. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, rear-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.